What's up, Phil here with Video School, and we are launching another Lightroom preset pack here called Vintage Vibes. So if you're in our classes, as I go through some of these examples, show you what they look like. If you're in one of our Lightroom or photography courses, you should find them at the end of the course in one of the bonus sections on presets. We're giving these out to all of our students for free, which is an awesome perk. If you're not in a course yet, you could head over to photographyandfriends.com, click the courses link and enroll. Or if you just want this preset, you don't want to be in a course, you can head over to photographyandfriends.com and hit that preset button. So, Vintage Vibes, this is a cool pack, gives sort of a retro feel to them, emulates some old style film, Fuji, Kodak, all these sort of old school brands that had a natural look to them. So it's great for photos of people. It's also great for cool street photography, something like this, especially if you got like an old style vintagey thing that's in your hometown. You got this old train depot that is in downtown San Dimas, where I grew up. And here you can see just adding a vintagey flair. Hey, this one's a little magenta. This one's a little bit more gold and bright. We got some that are a little bit more green and blue, like that one. Teal and orange. All kinds of different vibes going on, vintage look. So this is a super fun one. Let's just throw it on one more portrait just to inspire you. So here's a pretty plain looking portrait, flat look, great lighting, but bam, add a little bit of vintage flair to it. If you are using our presets, let us know. Tag us on Instagram. Find us at Phil Ebner, at Video School. Whew, that one's a little intense. But that's the beauty of Lightroom. You can take this, say, oh, that's a little bit intense. We're going to fix this up. We're going to go into our specific colors, maybe boost some of the saturations that we're losing, those yellows, those oranges, maybe those blues are a little bit too intense of a change, and so we're going to fix those up too. That's what these presets are all about. But tag us, find us on Instagram, let us know. If you're in a class and you're using these presets, make sure you hit that review button. That's what helps us reach more people, no matter what review you leave us. We appreciate it. So thank you so much. Enjoy the Vintage Vibes preset pack. Share it with a friend. Tag us on Instagram, and we'll see you next month with another one. Cheers.